Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Food Fundas. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you an authentic Malwani style breakfast dish which is called as khaprori. Khaprori is nothing but a type of a dosa, slightly different ingredients, which is to be relished with coconut and jaggery milk. So friends, let's start by knowing the ingredients. Now here I am using the same ingredients which are required for making a dosa. I have taken around 2 cups of rice. You can also use parboiled rice. 1 cup of urad dal. Half cup of chana dal. 2 tablespoons of poha. And 1 heaped tablespoon of methi seeds. I have used this katori as a measurement for rice and other dals. You can use whatever katori is there at your home. Now this portion which I have taken is for around 5 people. So you might get around 20 to 25 dosas. Now we are going to soak the rice and the poha and the methi seeds together. Wash them thoroughly and soak them for around 5 to 6 hours. Now dals will go together. So here you can see that I am soaking the rice, the poha and the methi seeds together, and I am soaking both the dals together for around 5 to 6 hours. Once all the ingredients are soaked for around 5 to 6 hours, grind them into a smooth paste. See that you keep the paste thick and ferment it for around 7 to 8 hours, or you can also keep it overnight. As I said, khaprori is relished with coconut milk mixed with jaggery. So let's make that. For this I have taken around 2 cups of freshly grated coconut, 1.5 cup of grated jaggery, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, that is jeera, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, that is haldi. Now I am going to take out the coconut milk and then mix the grated jaggery into that coconut milk. So friends, you can see the batter is nicely fermented. I kept it overnight. Now we are going to mix around 2 teaspoons of turmeric into it so that our dosa or the khaprori gets that yellowish color. Now let's start making the dosas. So let's begin making khaprori. I'm going to use here a cast iron griddle. Cast iron griddle has its own disadvantages and advantages. Now this cast iron griddle is the oldest one which has been used by my mother-in-law also. So it is anyways highly seasoned. Apply some oil and put around 1.5 ladle of the fermented batter and make a set dosa. It has to be slightly thick. Do not make a paper thin dosa. Drizzle some oil into it and bake it from both the sides. Here you can see the khaprori is done from one side. Turn it and drizzle some water on the top so that the dosa or the khaprori remains soft when you're serving it. As I said, khaprori is relished with coconut milk and jaggery. Now I have already made the coconut milk. Now I am going to add the jaggery into it and stir it nicely till all the jaggery gets dissolved in it. I am also adding some cardamom powder to give more taste. So your khaprori or the dosa is also ready and our coconut milk with jaggery is also ready. So now let's serve it. It is very simple. You have to take a little deep plate or a bowl. Just put the khaprori or the dosa into it and pour this coconut milk onto it and relish. I hope you will definitely try this because this is not a very difficult recipe, but it is the simplest one and different one. So friends, this is authentic Malwani style khaprori, that is a type of a dosa with some different ingredients. served and relished with coconut and jaggery milk. I hope you have liked this recipe and you will definitely try and share it with your loved ones. Happy eating, happy sharing. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. #FoodFundas.